Hi, my name is Levon Lewis of Creative Velocity. I am here with my client, Jamila Lyn. We met about a month ago, and what I like about Jamila is she really knows her business, she's decisive, and she wanted to really expand and take a chance on her brand. So what do you think about the experience so far? What happened today? What do you think about everything?
It's been such a seamless experience. I think from our first discovery call, you just got it. You understand how important HBCUs are to the culture. You really understand how important it is to sustain, right, that legacy. And that's really the heart of bottom-up thinking. It's really prioritizing students, making sure that institutions are operating efficiently so that we can best serve, right, underrepresented students. So I think that lived experience helped us to really form strong synergy.
That's true. Yeah, you have to understand it. So today I think we did some great storytelling, even with your website and your messaging, and we'll really get that point across where you can really help universities all around the country. So we like it.